So today we're here at the Royans Group Bayswater site. It's one of our premium repairers for NTI, and we're here for a Brokers Day.
I think events like this are so valuable for a number of reasons. From a broker perspective, they actually get to see live what happens for a truck rollover, what our team actually do and how we control the situation, get our towies out there and assist our customers at their time of need. From a claims perspective, it allows our claims teams and our brokers to see what our partner repairers shops actually look like, what the machines look like. We play a few games. We also find out how much parts cost. So it gives them an insight into what our repair world looks like. So it gives our customers a better experience, our claims guys a better experience, and our brokers a better opportunity to have conversations with their clients and their claims teams. Today we have attending our broker panel. We also have part of our operations team from claims and our repair managing team from claims services.
The program has been set up coming up for 20 years. And what we do is we refine that, we listen to clients' feedback, we focus on getting the client back in operation or back on road faster. It's that combination of internal expertise working with our service providers who provide that external expertise.
Well, the relationship with NTI goes back a long way, but you know, as the group's expanded, we've got a better offering to NTI and give a better coverage, and that benefits our mutual customers. So working together, largest truck repairer and the largest truck insurer can only create a good outcome for our mutual customers.
The attendees would have taken away a deeper understanding of how a heavy vehicle is repaired. So they got an insight into the heavy vehicle workshop, they got an insight into how to correctly recover and the process of recovering a heavy vehicle, and got to actually have first-hand experience with the heavy vehicle recovery team. It's important for them to have a deeper understanding, because they can actually communicate through to their clients if there is any delays. They can understand the process more, and that it's a smoother transition for when the client unfortunately has an incident and they have to lodge a claim.
Today was amazing. It really gave me an insight as to the process behind truck accidents and repairs, and really sort of the amount of work that happens behind the scenes at these truck companies and the costs were associated with a lot of the repairs.
Yeah, well, today was fantastic. First time doing a NTI rollover. Royans, the actual centre itself is impressive. The day itself, I think, was just amazing. What I thoroughly enjoyed was actually getting to know the history behind Royans. The fact that I came to meet 3 generations, Andrews, the church, as well as a Royan, was a real honour. But I think in total, I think what I really enjoyed about the day was just how NTI actually brought everyone together, how we actually got to learn a bit more about, you know, the involvement in what an NTI rollover entails. So yeah, really good day.